Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get the perfect at-home blowout every single time with tons of volume and shine. Alright, let's get started. This is the only tool I'll be using today and it's amazing from start to finish. This typically takes me 10 minutes, no joke. This is how I've been blow drying my hair the last 6 to 8 months and it's super easy and fast. So I'm going to start out by parting my hair in the middle like I always do and just making sure that it's not soaking wet still. I normally let my hair air dry about 80% before I blow it out just to minimize the damage. After I brushed out my hair, I go in with the Loreal Dream Coat Spray. This stuff is amazing. It's an anti-humidity hair treatment. It is activated by heat, so you do have to blow dry it in, and this just helps tame my frizzy hair. It makes it super shiny and sleek. It's also a heat protectant, so I make sure to get every section of my hair, and then I brush it out again to evenly disperse it. After that, I like to add in a leave-in conditioner. This one is by L'Oreal. It's somewhat new to me, but I really like it. It makes my hair super soft and like silky feeling without making it greasy or heavy. And I do put in a lot of this stuff because my hair is naturally very dry, so it'll soak up conditioner super quickly. And don't forget your ends. That's the most important step. Gotta make sure those ends are hydrated. Okay, now I'm going to section off my hair and start blow drying. This is the Revlon one-step dryer and volumizer. I love it because the brush is so big that it allows you to blow dry much more hair at once as opposed to a regular round brush, which I feel like takes a lot longer. So I usually start from the bottom and work my way up. As you can see, this brush picks up a lot of hair, so I only have to split it into 2 sections on each row, if that makes sense. But one side literally takes me 5 to 6 minutes to blow dry, and that's why I love it. So with my ends, I like to curl them in just to give a bit of a bounce to the hair. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to blow dry the rest of my hair, and once I'm done, I will show you guys how I make the top super voluminous. Yay! Okay, now that I'm done drying my hair, I take the top section and I'll go ahead and blow this out away from my face and up, as you can see here. And this is what's going to give us that super lifted bang look with lots of volume. Once I've wrapped the hair around the brush a few times, I actually turn off the dryer and let the hair cool down a little like this on the brush. And this is what gives you that volume. So you just gotta let it cool down on the brush. After it's cooled off, I let it down, and as you can see, it gave a ton of volume to my bangs. I actually love this look. It makes it feel like you just stepped out of the salon with a nice blowout. To finish off the hair, I like to just add in some hair oil. This one is by Way Hair Care and it's the Rose Hair and Body Oil. It smells amazing. And that is the finished hair, you guys. I love how shiny and silky it feels, and I love how fast it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!